everybody, and today I'll teach you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Now this is the cube I bought in my competition in Dixon, which I got an average of like 11 seconds. Using this exact method I'm going to show you. I will make a video on Ortega, which is going to hopefully come out today, but I do have a bit of homework from school. There's a slight chance it might come out. Anyway, so today I'm going to show you a method called the layer by layer method, and I'll show you an example solve. So the layer by layer method is, first of all, what you do is the first part, you orient and permute your first layer, and then you orient your last layer, and then you permute it. So that's the layer by layer method, and now let's go on to learn this method. Now this method could get you down to about, I'd say, my personal best with this method is about 3 seconds. So it could do you some real good if you're just starting. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to solve your first face. I'll just do white since not a lot of people solve on white first. So we've got 2 of them placed correctly already and oriented. So now we just need to insert these. Now this is really intuitive. So there's no algorithm to like put these 2 in their spots or anything. That's all for the top layer. So you can either insert this like this, hold it above the place where you want to put it, and you just move it out of the way, lift the slot up where it needs to go, stick it in and bring it down. Or you could just hold the white facing on the left above the place where it wants to go, and just like do this. It's either one of your preference. I prefer to do that, but it depends what situation I am in. So if you ever have one facing up, just hold it above the slot it needs to go in, and just lift it up and just spin it twice and bring it back, and bring the slot that needs to go back down. Then you can either insert it like this, move it out of the way, lift it up, place it in, bring it down, or you can just do the way I show that I kind of prefer. Well, that's that. So now I'm going to teach you all the OLLs. Now, some videos don't have all the OLLs, and I watch them. Everything's good apart from all the algorithms for the top layer. That is very, very annoying. So in this video, I'll teach you all of the OLLs. So first one is this case where you have one of the L's facing up and the other one's pointing out. There will be another one with this yellow facing up and this one pointing up and no yellow here, but I'll get to that after this one. So the algorithm for this one is you lift up the right, turn the top to your left, bring down the right, turn the top to your left again, lift up the right, spin the top twice, and bring the right down. Now that will orient this face for you. So now sorry about this. Okay, now this is the other case where there's no yellow here, but there's a yellow here. It's just the same thing, except on the left side. So you lift the left up, turn the top to your right, bring the left down, turn the top to your right again, lift the left up, spin the top twice, or this way, doesn't matter, and bring the right down. And that will orient your face yet again. Now there's this case where you have I call this the car case because it's like got 2 headlights pointing out here, and it's got like 2 lights here, so it's like a car steering around by its headlights. So hold these 2 headlights on the left and point these 2 at the top and do it this out. Turn the front clockwise and do the move, which is lift up the right, turn the top to your left, bring down the right, turn the top back, and turn the front counterclockwise, and that will orient your top face. Now, so that you can do it on this side, but since this is just like the first method you really learn, I'm just teaching you the simpler ways. So that's that one, and now there's another case which I am going to show you. it's this one where you have these two diagonal corners oriented, and these two need to be faced up. Now, when you're done with this, this is the only one like this with two diagonal ones. So when you're done with this face and you see this, you straight away you know that is this case. So hold it so the diagonal yellow dots like this, and you got one yellow facing here and the other one facing like this, and the algorithm is turn F prime, which is turn the top counterclockwise and then do the move. Then you bring the right down, turn the top clockwise, and you lift up, and then you lift the right up once, and then that will orient this face yet again. And now so now there's this case where you got these two facing up and one yellow facing out and the other one pointing towards you. So hold it like this with these two facing up and one pointing at the back and one pointing at the front, and do this algorithm. Do the move. Then you bring the right down, turn the top clockwise, lift up the right and turn the top counterclockwise, and that will orient your face. And solve if you want to do that. But this is the OLL, not the PLL yet. Now that is that case, and I think there's one more case. I don't. So I think there's one more case which hang on. Oh yeah, there is one more case where you have to there are two more cases. Let me set them up. So it's when these two are facing out like this, and these two are facing out like this. So it's not the ones when like two facing up and two facing out. It's when these two are opposite, like two yellows facing out like this. So hold it so the one row of headlights is pointing towards you and the other one pointing to the back, and do this. Turn the front clockwise and do the move, which is RU I prime U prime. Or lift up the right, turn the top clockwise or to your left, bring down the right, turn the top back, and then turn the front again. So yeah, it really flows. So F R U I prime U prime, R U I prime U prime. Lift up the right, turn the top to your left, bring down the right, turn the top back, like that. And you do that 3 times. You might not get a PLL skip like I did, but yeah. So, and now there is one more case which I want to show you. So it's when these two are facing at the left, and instead of instead of a row of headlights out here and out here, you got a row of headlights here and a headlight facing out and a headlight facing back. So hold it like this with 2 headlights facing out and these 2 facing like this, and do this algorithm. Turn the front clockwise and do the move twice. And that will orient your face. And so those are all the OLLs. Now onto the PLLs. So this is a PLL where you have to move these 2 adjacent corners like this. So you have to move this one here and this one here. Okay, so hold it on the right side and then do this algorithm. Lift the right, turn the top, bring down the right, and turn the top counterclockwise. No, turn the front counterclockwise, and then do the move, and then bring the right down, turn the top clockwise, lift up the right twice, turn the top back, and bring it down, and that will orient your face. So now let's go into the other one. It's the same one, except you can hold it on this side, do the exact same algorithm on the left. I'm just saying that this is optional. It's just the exact same on the left, so it's like lift up the left, turn the top to your right, bring down the left, turn the top clockwise, and then do the move on your left side. Then bring the left down, turn the top counterclockwise, lift up the left twice, turn this back, and bring this down, and then turn it again. So, and also there's one more where you hold these 2 in front of you, and then you look down at the white, and then you bring the right down, turn the top to your left, and bring the right down. Now you spin the bottom twice, and you lift it up, place it in, and bring it down, and now you spin the bottom twice, and then you lift this up twice, and then you just, you know, it swaps these two. Those are just 3 algorithms for one case. It's your choice which one you want to do. If you're a righty like I am, you can do that. Or if you're like a lefty, you can do it like that. Or if you really want to, you can just do that one. But it does require a cube rotation, which I don't like. Even though these two are longer, like hold it on the right, hold it on the left, I prefer doing those rather than doing this because cube rotation takes up more time, unless you're really fast at cube rotations. So now there's one more which I am going to do. Sorry about this. Okay, yeah, it's this one where you have to swap these two diagonally. I only just learned this one today, so I did pause quite a bit in that. Don't expect me to be the master of this case. I usually did like the other PLL and then do that PLL, but really, that takes a lot more time. So yeah. So let's go and learn this one. So this is the algorithm. You can hold it whichever way you want. Actually, I think you should hold it like this with the one you need to put here and this, like, so these two need to swap like this. So hold it like this and perform the algorithm. So the algorithm is lift up the right, turn the top to your right, bring down the right, turn the top to your right again. Now you spin the front twice. Now you spin the top to your left again. Now you lift up the right, turn the top, bring down the right, and turn the... And then you turn the bottom face like this. Like this. And then you lift up the right twice. And then you might have to... It will be solved like that, or you might have to do it once that way, or you might have to spin it twice like I did. So, yeah, that is the tutorial for the layer by layer method, and I hope you can do a very, very fast solve. And actually, I'll do a quick example solve for you guys. I'll do one quick one, one walkthrough. So, this is going to be the quick one. I'm looking through the viewfinder, so I'm not used to this. I think that was pretty decent, not the best solve for me, pretty not that good, but anyway, now I'll go through an example solve. So, I need to so this is on the top, let's fix this, there we go. Now let's put this here, like that. Now this is at the top, hold it above that, now that's solved. Now, an OLO. Now, and a PLL. So yeah, that is the tutorial for the layer by layer method, and hope to see you guys soon. I will come out with an Ortega method, hopefully today, and if not, sometime this week. So, hope you enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.